ready to transform your study sessions from stressful to stellar with the power of AI. Let's dive into how Gemini AI can revolutionize your learning journey, starting with smarter note-taking instead of just passively reading. Imagine asking Gemini to summarize dense textbook chapters into concise bullet points. You can even prompt it to create flashcards or generate practice questions directly from your notes. Turning review into an active, engaging process, think of Gemini as your personal, infinitely patient study assistant, ready to break down complex information into digestible pieces. Next up, research struggling to find credible sources or understand intricate research papers. Gemini AI excels at this. Simply input your research topic or even a specific question, and watch as Gemini identifies key academic articles, explains complex methodologies, and even pulls out the most crucial findings. You can ask it to explain jargon, compare different theories, or even identify potential contradictions in research, saving you hours of sifting through irrelevant information and accelerating your understanding. And for those tricky problem-solving moments, Gemini is your secret weapon. Whether it's a challenging math equation, a complex physics problem, or even a legal case study, you can present the problem to Gemini. It won't just give you the answer. It will meticulously guide you through each step of the solution, explaining the reasoning behind every calculation or logical deduction. This approach fosters a deeper understanding of the underlying principles, empowering you to tackle similar problems independently in the future. By integrating Gemini AI into your study routine for note-taking, research, and problem-solving, you're not just studying. You're learning smarter, faster, and more effectively. Empower yourself to maximize your learning potential and achieve academic success. Give Gemini AI a try and see the difference it makes.